Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Daily Tech Tips and Tricks. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech tips. Today, we've got an exciting video lined up, 10 hidden features in your smartphone you didn't know about. Trust me, you don't want to miss these. So, let's dive in. Feature 1, One-Handed Mode. Alright, starting off with number 1, One-Handed Mode. If you've ever struggled to use your phone with one hand, this one's for you. Both Android and iOS have one-handed modes that shrink your screen to make it easier to reach those top corners. On Android, just swipe down the navigation bar, and on iPhone, tap the home button twice to activate it. Simple, right? Feature 2, Secret Screen Recorder, iOS, Android. Number 2, Secret Screen Recorder. Did you know your smartphone has a built-in screen recorder? Whether you're on Android or iOS, you can record your screen without any third-party apps. On Android, just swipe down your quick settings and tap Screen Record, and on iPhone, swipe down from the top right to access the Screen Recording button. Feature 3, Android Developer Options 110. Feature number 3, Android Developer Options. This one's a goldmine for Android users. To unlock it, just go to Settings, tap About Phone, and tap Build Number 7 times. Once it's unlocked, you'll have access to options like reducing animation speed to make your phone feel snappier. Trust me, you'll love it. Feature 4, Hidden Emoji Shortcuts 140. Coming in at number 4, Hidden Emoji Shortcuts. Did you know you can quickly access your most used emojis? On both Android and iPhone, the emoji keyboard often saves your frequently used ones for easy access. Plus, some hidden emojis are only accessible via certain shortcuts, like typing specific words to get them. Feature 5, Focus Mode, iOS. Digital Wellbeing, Android. Number 5, Focus Mode for iPhone and Digital Wellbeing for Android. Both features allow you to block notifications and apps to help you stay productive. On iPhone, go to Settings, Focus, and on Android, head to Digital Wellbeing to customize your Do Not Disturb settings. These are game changers for when you need to concentrate. Feature 6, Google Lens, Android. Number 6, Google Lens on Android. It's not just for scanning QR codes. You can use Google Lens to identify plants, animals, and even translate text instantly. Just open the Google Lens app or use it through your camera and start pointing at anything you want to know more about. Feature 7, Customizing Widgets. Feature number 7, Customizing Widgets. Both Android and iOS allow you to add and customize widgets on your home screen. You can resize them, change their appearance, and even add shortcuts to specific apps or tasks. Make your home screen work for you. Feature 8, Battery Saver Tips. Coming in at number 8, Battery Saver Tips. Your smartphone has built-in features to extend battery life. For example, on Android, you can use Battery Saver mode, and on iPhone, there's an Optimized Battery Charging feature. Make sure to enable these to keep your phone running longer when you need it most. Feature 9, Hidden Notifications, Android. Number 9, Hidden Notifications on Android. Did you know you can hide sensitive notifications from the lock screen? Just head to your settings, go to Notifications, and adjust your preferences to hide details of notifications from apps like Messages and emails. Feature 10, Voice Assistant Shortcuts. And finally, feature number 10, Voice Assistant Shortcuts. Whether you're using Siri, Google Assistant, or Bixby, you can set up custom voice commands to quickly access apps, contacts, and even specific settings. It's perfect for when you're in a rush or need hands-free access. And there you have it, folks. 10 hidden smartphone features that you probably didn't know about. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.